On today's menu, a delicious and easy recipe that's smokin'. Chili garlic noodles. Lei Hong Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This simple recipe is really easy to put together, really delicious, and you only need a few ingredients. Bring some water to boil for the noodles. Alright, so these are garlic noodles, so definitely need a generous amount of garlic. Got about 5 pieces here. Finely chop the garlic. Cook the noodles to package instructions. I'm using 175 grams, which will be one generous portion. Stir the noodles occasionally to keep them from sticking. Remove the seeds from 3 dried chili peppers. Roughly chop. When the noodles are done, strain them out and set aside. This will make this dish complete. This is a delicious, not too spicy, but really smoky and beautifully red chili oil I made in a previous episode. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can make this really easily at home. Non-stick pan. Medium-low heat. 3 tablespoons chili oil. Garlic and chilies. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Noodles. One and a half tablespoons soy sauce. Turn the heat up to medium and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Packed quarter cup fresh basil. Turn the heat off, give it a stir, and you're done. Plate. You can now make this easy but flavor-packed dish with absolute confidence. If you could only smell this, oh man, heavenly. That is just a plate of perfect harmony. It is so simple, yet incredibly packed with flavor. It's a little bit salty from the soy sauce and just a hint of spiciness. I mean, my spicy tolerance is pretty high, but I really don't think this is super spicy at all. It has that really nice smokiness from the chili oil and just that really incredibly nice fragrance from the basil, which goes really well with the incredible aromatic and fragrant garlic that we cooked in the chili oil, and everything just comes together and the noodles turn this really nice kind of reddish color. Really, really delicious, super easy to put together. The garlic is not too overpowering and it really just comes through, brings everything together and literally just makes everything super, super delicious. Really flavorful, very, very aromatic, garlicky. Man, absolutely delicious and easy to put together. I can imagine adding some broccolini, some sauteed broccolini or some other veggies in here will really substantiate this. But man, I could totally eat this every day. Just so good. By the way, if you love noodle recipes like I do, then you'll definitely want to check out or get your signed copy of the Vegan Ramen Cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check this out, find out more information about it. And in that same link, you can also watch the entire first class of the new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that is a series of 5 classes that's designed and curated to help you make incredibly delicious and stunning sushi right at home. And that is the masterclass that you'll really eat up. But in the meantime, definitely remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.